Welcome everyone to this beginner's guide to email marketing. Over Thesk Next FEW1. Hello there, and minutes. Welcome to We Are Email, Explore the Marketing World of Tutorial. As email marketing, a professional with powerful tool that 5 years of when used experience correctly can in this field significantly boost your business, I understand. How but overwhelming first it can be when lets you start with the basics. What is just email starting out marketing? SC, but 2, don't worry, email marketing in its simplest form as the use of email to promote your business. We're going to break it down for you step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of email marketing. SC2, it's a direct form of marketing, similar to marketing through snail mail, but email marketing let is as much, start more with efficient, the for basics. Email your wallet and marketing for as the our environment form, since of it, digital's marketing, totally strategy, where paper, business is less. Send emails to their customers, 3 or know that prospects we. Understand the purpose of these emails can range what from email marketing is, promoting products or services, let building brand awarenesses, talk about why it's an essential tool, or nurturing customer for your business. Relationships email marketing allows use to our EACH 3000s, the first even step millions in email marketing of people. It is building a fraction of your the email cost list of. Traditional, this is a list of email addresses marketing methods. It's also an of excellent people way who to build relationships have agreed with to receive your emails customers from, keeping them you informed. About your there are different latest products, offers, and news. SC4 ways to build your email. One of the first steps in list email marketing is building and such as offering a free resource email list. In exchange, this isn't just for an list email of address emails, but a list or of simply asking your customers, your website and visitors potential to customers subscribe to your emails. How do you build this newsletter? SCLIST4. B1's offering you something of build value in exchange for their email address. This could be a discount, your email list. The next step is to create your emails. This can free be an ebook promotional or email access about to an exclusive webinar. Your SC5, once you latest have your email product list, it's time to start sending an emails newsletter. But not, or just any personalized emails. These messages need to be carefully crafted to catch your customers. Customers remember attention, the key provide to value effective email and marketing as ultimately to encourage them to provide make value to purchase your recipients. This is where the real RDSC of email marketing comes into PLAY5. SC6 now of Let's Talk course about it's not enough to just send emails. Email you marketing software. This also is a tool that will need help to track your results. This means you looking manager at email how list many, create and send people open your emails and track your email marketing how performance. There are many clicker on the links inside and many email marketing software options, how many out there, make a purchase. So by tracking choose one these metrics that fits your needs and budget. Lastly, you can continually improve. It's important to measure the success of your email marketing campaigns. Strategy SCTHIS7 can be finally done by remember tracking that metrics email such marketing as is open rates, not a click one through rates time thing. It's a continuous process that needs to be regularly and conversion rates. By analyzing these metrics, updated you and can understand improved what is so working don't and what be discouraged not, if you don't see immediate and make necessary adjustments to improve your results. Keep email refining your marketing strategy and over time strategy. SC7, you want to see that's it for the our true power of email marketing tutorial email marketing. Remember email marketing as a powerful tool for businesses, and with the right STRATEGY8, it can help you reach your marketing goals. Thank you for joining me that S and AI basic wish overview of you the email best marketing of luck. I hope this guide has helped on your email marketing journey. You understand the importance of email marketing and how it can help your business. Remember, the key to successful email marketing is to continually test, refine, and improve your strategy. Thank you for your time, and I wish you the best of luck on your email marketing journey.